my VTU and SMS portal website class. Thank you for signing up for this class, and we're going to have a smooth ride as far as this class is concerned, right? We're going to have a very smooth ride. So in the message I dropped, I explained what a VTU website is. A VTU website, visual top-up website, is a website where you can top up airtime, buy recharge card, and all of that. Then also this website also have SMS, right? Bulk SMS sending where clients can come to your website, purchase bulk SMS, and send out bulk SMS, right? So they come to your site, they can buy data, they can buy bulk SMS, they can buy Jump crash card, and they can even buy WAEC crash card. So in designing this kind of website, you can charge your client between 100K, 200K, 300K, over 500K to get this kind of website done for your clients, right? So it's a very, very serious business, and it's making a whole lot of people millions right now. And that is why I thought it wise to put this together. And I'm not just going to teach you that, I'm going to give you access to some of the files that I will be using to create this website. And because I want it to be very, very practical, and I want everyone to follow this practical. Now, to get started, you need a domain name and you need a hosting for this kind of website. So if you have not purchased a domain name and hosting, I highly recommend that you purchase your domain name from Namecheap, right? I highly recommend that you purchase your domain name from Namecheap, right? Namecheap is one of the best domain name and hosting company that I have actually used and have seen. So maybe I'll be dropping my affiliate link on the description of this video. So you can just click on my link and go ahead with the purchase of your domain name and hosting. So if I want to purchase domain name and hosting, I can just say VTU SMS master. So I'm going to search for the domain name if the domain name is available. So you see that domain name is available. If it's not available, Namecheap is going to tell me that the domain name is not available. So I'm just going to click on add to cart. So that domain name has been added to my cart. Then I'm going to click on hosting. I'm going to click on shared hosting. So you see the hosting. So you can even buy 1 month hosting. You can decide to buy 1 year. You can decide to buy 2 years. So you can do monthly. If you're buying monthly, you're going to pay this amount per month. If you're buying yearly, you're going to pay this amount per year. So I'm just going to click on get started. So select the domain. This is the domain I want to use because I have so many domains on my cart. But for you, you're just going to see only this domain, right? So I'm just going to click on add to cart. I have a lot of domains that I've added to my cart as I'm showing me that. Let me just remove them so you see this is on my cart. So if I remove that, so this is also on my cart. So when I remove that, VTU master and the stellar package, so you're going to be paying a total of $31.04 to get domain name and hosting, right? So let's see, edit this card. Let's see, what about if we want to buy let's see, let's edit this. If you want to go for 1 month, you're going to spend very less. So if you want to go for 1 month, you're going to spend very, very, very less, right? So if you go back to shared hosting and you go to monthly, so you click on add to cart. So you see that. So monthly VTU website. So let's say this is the domain name I'm going for. Connect my hosting. Can you see all of that? Then add to cart. All right, so you see that. So let's say I'm buying that domain name. If I remove this from the cart right now, and so you're gonna see I'm gonna pay $13 with the domain name and the hosting. So if you already have domain name and hosting, you can also go ahead and try this practical with your own domain name and hosting. But I highly recommend this for you to get domain name and hosting from Namecheap when you want to design this kind of website for your clients. So when you have successfully purchased your domain name and hosting, the username and password is going to be sent to your email. So you're going to see something like Namecheap web hosting details, right? And you just read the instructions and they will give you how you can log into the cPanel. It's usually your domain name.com/cPanel, something like webit.com/cPanel. So it's usually like that, right? So when you get that, so it's like this. So all you have to do is enter your username and your password that they will send to you. And when you enter your username and password, you'll be taken to an environment like this, right? So this is my domain name that I've purchased already. I have been using this for some practical purpose, so I'll use this domain name for the purpose of this practical, right? So all you have to do is you just go to File Manager when you log in. Just go to File Manager. So I'm going to go into my File Manager. So when I come to my file manager, no, for you, if you are doing this for a client, when you come to your file manager, you just go to public underscore HTML. And when you get to public underscore HTML, you may not be seeing all of these many files there. You may just see just one file. But because I've been using this to do a lot of websites, that is why I'm seeing all of these many files. So just upload directly. What I'm going to give you is something I'm going to give you, just upload directly to your public underscore HTML. But if you're doing it as a practical and you already have something, a domain website running on your server, you just create a folder for this. I'm just going to create a folder and I call it VTU sites, right? So I'll click on create a new folder. So please understand this very well so you don't go and hurt other sites in your server. So I'll just open up this, then I'm going to click on upload, select files. So I'm going to give you the software. So it's called, this particular software is called the front end. So I'm just going to upload that front end. All right, so it's going to upload that for us. So while uploading that for us, let's create a database. We will connect this with a database, right? So I'm just going to go back right here and then I'll say database. You see the way I'm searching? I type DAT. So I'll see my SQL database wizard. So I'm just going to click on my SQL database wizard and I'll give it a name as a VTU DB site. Can you see that? And I'm going to click on next. And I'll say VTU site user. So you can give it whatever name you want to give it. No password generator. Just generate any password. I'll copy this, then I'll click on I have copied. I'm going to click on use password. Can you see that? So I'm going to click on create user. So just follow my step, it's very easy. So we will need this information right here, right? We will need this information. So I'm just going to keep the password here because I will need this information. So I'm going to copy all of this right here. I'm going to copy all of that. Then I'll click on all privileges and I'll click on next. So let me paste this right here. So I have copied all of that and pasted right here. So I'm just going to go back to my home page. Then another thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for PHP My Admin. This is PHP My Admin, so I'm going to click on that. So PHP My Admin is the database aspect of your website that allow you to upload your SQL file. So I'm going to give you access to this SQL file also. So what we created is VTU. Can you see that? VTU DB site. So I'm going to select that. So if you're doing this for a client, you may not see all of these because I have so many websites. I'm using this domain for the purpose of practical. So I've clicked on this. Make sure you're clicking on the right one. Then I'll click on import. Awesome. Can you see that? So just follow my step practically, step by step, and you're not going to have any problem with it. So I'm going to click on choose file. And you see the front end SQL. I'm going to give you access to this. So I'm going to click on go. So I'm going to click on go. So let me just upload this to my drive. I'm going to give you access to those files. let me just create a folder for that. VTU. Awesome. So I'm going to give you access to that. So this is C uploading. Then let's check this. This one is C uploading 55%. So let's just chill out. I think this one is about finishing uploading. Awesome, awesome. That has been uploaded, right? It has been uploaded. So let's see this guy here if it has finished uploading. So this guy is still uploading. All right, so this has finished uploading, right? So just make sure it upload and turns green, right? So I'm just going to click on this and get back right here. So I'm going to right click, extract files. I'm going to close that. Then I'm going to see this. So just double click to open this, right? So let's move this everything here to inside VTU site. So I'm going to select all. Then I'll click on move and remove the front end. I click on move files. So it's going to take us into public underscore HTML slash VTU site. Can you see that? So it's going to be public underscore HTML slash VTU site. So it's going to be our domain name slash VTU site, right? So let me just delete this because I don't need it anymore right here. So now when that is done, we have to look for something here is called WP config. Look at it, WP config. So you right click, you're going to click on edit, right? So when you come here to edit, you see DB name, you're going to see DB user, and you're going to see DB password, right? So we are going to change those information with our information. So first of all, we are going to see the password. So I'm going to copy this password. I'm going to copy the password. Where is the password? This is the password. So when doing this, you ensure you don't make mistake. But if you make mistake, your site is not going to run. So I'm going to put the password right here. And then I'm going to copy the username. This is the username. So and ensure you don't copy space. So just make sure you're copying what you're supposed to copy and don't type it with your hand. See a lot of people doing that mistake. If you do that, it's not going to work. Just copy and paste. So just carefully remove this, leaving those two hyphen there. So you paste that right here, and the database. I'm just going to copy this from the database. Can you see that? I'll copy this. And where is the database? So this is the database DB name. So just remove this carefully. No need to hurry. Just follow the video step by step. You're going to get it. So you click on save changes. Awesome. So the changes have been saved. So now let's go to our database. We'll have our database information. So just come to let me just open this VTUB website. So just look for WP options, right? Look for options. Okay, WPC options. Look at it there. So open these options. Also, when you open these options, you're going to see a website right here. So make sure you remove this website and put your own website, right? So I'm just going to type this. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to put my website. So my website will be there's my website. So VTU site, right? So it's going to be home. So this is my domain name, and this is my website link, right? So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to put it there, right? So you click outside, it's going to be it's going to save. Awesome. So I'm going to also right click this and put it right here. So you do that, it's going to be saved, right? So that's all you have to do very well. So just the site URL and the home page links. So that's the WP option, right? Let's check it very well again. The WP option. Awesome. So like I said, this is our link to our website. So let's now try this. If this is going to open on the browser. So let's try that. Wow, awesome, awesome. Wow, wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Can you see that? So let's just refresh this again. So this is a WordPress website that we just exported right here. So we are going to log into the dashboard of this. Can you see that? Option awesome. So airtime, top up, EDC, start time, book SMS. Can you see all of that? So see all of this. Let me open this in incognito mode and see. Let's go to display. Awesome, right? So now what we need to do is let's log into the admin. So for you to log into the admin of this, it's going to be /WP -admin, right? /WP -admin. Awesome. Can you see that? So it's going to take you to the admin. So let's try to hack the admin password because we don't know it. So let me show you how to hack an admin password. So you go to users. So you go to users and you click on edit. So you see the user login and the user path, right? So this is the user login and the user path. So I want my user path to be this. So admin at awesome. So admin at, so that's what I want my user to be, my password to be, and I want my admin to be the same thing like admin. Can you see that? So what I'm going to do on this field, just come here, click on this, then you say MD5. Watch it, MD5. This is how to hack WordPress password when you don't know the password. So you click on go. So you have to select MD5. If you don't select MD5, there's going to be a problem, right? There's going to be a problem. You must select MD5, right? There's going to be a problem if you don't do that. So let's just refresh this again. So I'm going to click on admin and I enter my password here and I'm going to click on login. Awesome. Can you see that? So if you do that, you're going to log in. Just click on remind me later. Oh, wow. This is good. So immediately you go on, the first thing you need to do, just go to settings. Go to settings, and you go to general. So you change this to your website name, right? So I can see auto creator is on top of, right? So make sure your link is correct, then your admin email, make sure your admin email is also correct. So and make sure you create this admin email, right? So you need to create this admin email. So let me just save changes. Yeah, so it will be pending if you don't create this admin email. Let me quickly show you how to create that email. So you just go to your cPanel, you go to email, and click on email account. Any email you're using, make sure it's created, right? So you see my one is created. But if I want to create another one, I'll click on create. Then I'll say I can say instead I just put the username, then generate any password, then you click on create. I see that has been created. But this is mine that I created. So let me just click on check me from here. That's for the admin. Already created before. So I'll click on this box, open my inbox when I log in. So I'll click on open. So because you can see my WordPress is telling me that I need to confirm there's a pending change. So you have to confirm that your email, they would have sent email to that. Can you see that home VTU portal creator? So this email has been sent. So I'm just going to double click on that. And this is the link. If this is correct, please click. So I'm going to click on that. Awesome. So when I click on that, can you see that the email has been changed correctly? Awesome. So I'm also going to go to user. I think I see I have that email on user. Go to users or users. Yes. So you see the email here is not for me. So I'm going to click on this admin. This is the email. I'm also going to replace that email with my email, right? I'm going to click on update. So you see that it's also a pending change. So let's check the. So let's go back right here. You see that sent another email, and we're just going to click on that. Awesome. So I think we have solved all of that, right? So this is your web just your like your normal Gmail account, right? So you can either send me if you want to send me, just click on compose. So this is the compose right here. And if I want to send me to myself, can you see that? We are designing VTU portal. Thanks, admin. Can you see that? So I'm going to click on send. Oh, sorry, there's no subject. So let's go on subject. Web design proposals. So for those of you who will be looking for clients to work for, it's better you have something like this. Then use this to send email to them. They respect you instead of using your Gmail, right? So I'm going to click on send. So that message has been sent, right? So you see that message has been sent. And if I go to my send folder, I'm going to see that. So webmail are very good for you to send messages when you're doing business, and people is going to take they're going to take you serious when you use webmail to communicate with them. So let's just go to my Gmail. Let me check if that came in. So let me just refresh. Can you see that? Admin web design. Can you see that? Yeah, designing VTU portal. And you see, it came as admin. If I don't want it to come as admin, I want it to come as my website name. I'll just go back here. I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to identities. I'm going to click on this. Then here I'll put my display name so I cannot say VTU portal. You put your website name. This is how also what people use. Like if I put GT Bank now, it's going to show GT Bank. So people can buy domain names and configure the name to be GT Banks, and they use it to send you mail. And you think it's GT Bank that is sending you mail, and you send them whatever you want to send them, and they hack you. So be very careful, right? When you are dealing with people, always look at the email that is coming from and not just the name. So whatever name you put, if I put Access Bank, that's going to be. If I put GT Bank, if I put Facebook, so that's the name is going to show. So when you see the mail, you think the mail is coming from these guys. Wherever these smart guys are using that to VTU portal webit. Okay, let me just do that VTU portal webit. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it on organization also. I'm going to copy this email and I'll put it on reply to. Then I'm going to save that changes. So I can even add images. I can add images of my company, like my company logo. I can add it. Can add images to my company logo, so I can do something like this. I can browse my system. So I can do that. So I can do that now. I'm going to click on OK. So I'm going to click on save. So that's been saved. So let's go back to our email and let's create another mail. So I'm going to click on compose. Let me just use some things to type. Yeah, all right. Let's copy all of these. I'm going to put that right. So let me send. So I'm just teaching you to be more professional in whatever you're doing. Also, that has been sent. So you go to your send folder. So this is the message you send, right? So just say like your normal Gmail, right? You can send a receive message, just like you have your junk. You can also have junk right here. So let's see. Can you see that VTU portal website? Can you see that? And you can see we can help you develop VTU portal website. Can you see that this is more professional? And this is the message I sent, right? So this is how you can do all of that. So let's go back to our WordPress website. So this is our WordPress website. So let me just come back to my home page. So I can visit my site from here. So I think we are done with this. Let me just remove that. Yes, awesome. So our site has fully loaded very well. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to load. I'm looking for it to actually load this. Awesome. Can you see that? It's really awesome. So you can go right here and you can go to so let's go to um, let's go to Teams, Appearance, and Team. So this is the team we are using, the advisor team. That's what they are using, right? So this is advisor options. So you can click on the advisor options. That's the advisor option. You can see the logo, right? So you can upload your own logo. I can click to change that logo. So I can change that logo to my logo. I will update. Can you see that? So, and you can even choose your color scheme. You can select any color scheme that you want. So I don't want to go into all of that. That changes have been made. So let me refresh this. Can you see that? So you see my logo. My logo is too big. So when you're doing this, make sure you reduce your logo, right? Make sure you try to reduce your logo. See, let me see if I can use this logo. Um, okay, let me just design my own logo. Let's see, new, transparent. So the VTU portal to canvas, so I can increase this, to canvas to that. So I can just use whatever I want to use. I can even come here and then I can cut this. For those of you who already know WordPress. So I can paste this right here. Right. Make it smaller. So you're just going to use any software of your choice. Design your logo. I can do this. I can say VTU portal to canvas, right? So So I can just export this one. So let me go back to my site. Go back to my site. I can change the logo. Right, I can change the logo. Can save. Let's see what I've done right here. Can you see that? This is better off. You see that? This is far better off. Awesome. Can you see? So, and you can change all of these, right? Change all of these informations right here. So let me show you how you can change this. So if you go back here, you go to slideshow, right? Click on slideshow, you're going to see the image. So you see the image one, and you see all of the tests that are written there. So you're going to upload and change all of the tests. You're going to see the tests right there. Can you see that? These are all of the tests written there. You're going to see slide 2, the lady, right? So you're going to see all of these. So you're going to see all of these guys right there. So slide 5, so you can upload whatever you want to upload right there. So these are the information that you are seeing on your home page right there, right? So and inside this slider too, so let's just go to, you can see get started and the link that you want to link them to, right? If you don't want to link anywhere, you just put hash. But we want to link them to sign up and register. So you just, when we get a link, we are going to just add a link. So that's how you can change all of these and these buttons, right? Change all of that and those buttons. So this is not the body um, of the page. So if you know WordPress very well, you can just go ahead and edit this. So I can even edit this with WP Bakery. So but I don't want to go into all of that because this is WordPress and these are simple stuff that you should know how to just edit, right? That's right. So this is how you can develop this. So this footer, there's nothing here. So if I want to add something, I'll just go to explore all of this. So your assignment will be to explore all of this. You can explore all of this. Even the header, you can change how the header is either VTU header style 3. I can say I want to use header style 1. I can save this. Errors your fan. Okay, let me use type 4. I can save this. So let me see if those worked. Can you see that is another style I just choose? So you can just go ahead and can say error style 6 and then I can save this and can you see that? So let's stick to our header style 3. I think it's still the best. So you just explore everything. So let's save this. I'm really cool with this style 3, right? So go ahead and do all of that. So let me show you one more thing. Just go to appearance, then you go to widget. So let's go to widget. So I want widget on the footer left and on the footer right. So on the footer left, I can just come there and say, okay, let me say I want to put navigation menu, right? I can draw my navigation menu right here and put it on the footer left. Select menu, my main menu, and I will say menu items. So I'm going to save that. When I refresh my website, so if I scroll down here, can you see that menu items are going to show right here? Can you see that? I can label stick on here, and I can say image. So I can even do calendar. I can do whatever I want to do. I can just do it right here. So let me put it at the footer right. So when I refresh this, can you see that we have calendar right there. So let me put one more widget at the footer left. Let me say I can even put slider, I can put text, I can put video, I can put image. So let me see this image. Maybe I can just put my, okay, select image. Maybe I can just put my logo right there. So whatever you want to put is flexible. So let me save that, and you can put a link. Awesome. Can you see that? So I can put something under here to make this blend well with this guy. Right? I can put some other stuff here. Let me just see if I can see one other thing to put there. Okay, let me see newsletter. So let me add this newsletter right here. Let me refresh this. I see that I have my newsletter right here. So you see that everything is blended, right? Everything is blended. So that's how you can design this VTU portal. So we are going to design this sign up page and this login page in our subsequent tutorial that will take us to the portal itself. So this is just the front end of the portal and how the portal is going to look like, right? So this is just the menu, and if you want to access the menu, you just go to appearance, then you go to menus. So these are the menus created, right? So these are the menu. I can create more menu if I want to, right? If I want to, I can create more menu right here. All right, guys. So this is how you can create your VTU portal. Let me go back to these options again. So you can even change the menu background color. Can you see that? You can change the menu background color. You can put your phone number, whatever you want to put here. If you are using another style, see that it will show on top header like slogan for your company. So this is going to show. And if you are using other styles, say this is header style 1, 2, and 4 only. Enable top bar. So top bar will be enabled if you are using 1, 2, or 4. So if you are using like header 4, you will have a top bar. So we are using header 4 now. So you're going to see that we are going to have a top bar. Can you see that VTU portal creator? So let's see. You are using style 1. So let's see style 1. So let's see style 1. I see style 1 doesn't people like it. So it says style header style 1, 2, and 4. Okay, let's see 2. Don't like no one. So let's stick to our header style 3. I think I like them. So you can go ahead and exploit all of these, right? You can go ahead and exploit all of these. And if you click on pages, all of the pages, you're going to see all of the pages right here, right? So let's just refresh this. And so you're going to see the contact. Okay, the contact is not even linked to a contact us page. So you can even, this is a contact us page. Let's see this page, if this page was created before. So you can link to that contact page. So let me go to menus, appearance, I'm going to menu. And I'm going to remove this contact page because it links nowhere. So I think there is a contact page right here. So there's a contact us page. So I'm going to click on this, then add to menu. Can you see that? So I'm just going to save this. So this is the contact us page, right? So you can edit the information in the contact us page. So these are the information in the contact us page. You can edit them from here. So I believe we are go ahead and do all of this practical and design this page and let it be better off than this training. We are going to design the back end of this portal where people will be able to sign up from your site, people will be able to log in, and they'll be able to buy data from you, buy DSTV recharge card, buy GoTV recharge card, buy StarTime recharge card, and also purchase SMS from you and be able to send bulk SMS on your website. You can make a lot of money from this website. Though the commissions are small, but you're going to make a lot of money. Just imagine you're getting a commission of maybe 5 naira and you have 1,000 people using your service a day. 5 naira to 1,000 people, that's a whole lot of money. Right now, and I'll just go to my file manager. So I'll just go right straight into my file manager and I'll go to the public underscore HTML. Don't forget the public underscore HTML. So let me locate my public underscore HTML. So this is my public underscore HTML, and as you know, I have a lot of websites that I have done on this side. So I'm just going to create a folder where I'm going to design the back end of my portal in, and I will just say portal VTU, right? And I'm going to say portal VTU, portal VTU. So I'm going to create a folder. Then I'm going to see that folder right here. Double click on that folder, and the folder is empty. So I'm going to upload my website to that, my script to that folder. So I'm going to click on upload, and then I'm going to click on select. Then I'm going to go right where I have that script, right? So this is the script I'm going to upload. Don't worry about the script. I'm going to tell you how you can get access to the script at the end of this video. I'm going to give you access to this script. I'm going to give you access to the database. I'm going to upload this file, and I'm going to give you access to this file. So now the file is uploading. Now let's just go back to our cPanel. Let us create a database, because we also need a database for this. So I'm just click on, I just search for data, and I'm going to see everything that has to do with database. The one we need here is my SQL database, and I'm going to click that MySQL database wizard. I'm going to click that, and then MySQL database wizard helps us to create database. So I'm going to say portal VTUDB. I'm going to say portal VTUDB, and I'm going to say portal VTU user, right? So I'm going to generate my password. So like I said, you can generate any password of your choice. I'm going to just generate this password. So this is my password. I don't like special characters in my password. I don't just know why. So you can use any password anyway, but I like this, so I'm just going to take on this. Then I'm going to open Notepad. Don't forget, we always need this password. Anything I've created like this, we always need this. I'll put my password there, and I'll say I have copied this password, then use this password. Then you click on what? Create user. So we did all of this process in the first video, so we're also doing them again in the second video. I'm going to copy, click on all privileges, the next step. So my database is going to be created for me. Also, my database has been created for me. So I'll go back to my cPanel. I'm going to upload the database file, right? The SQL file. SQL means structured query language, right? So it's the language that database understands. So I'm going to give you access to this file. You need this file to be able to get this done, right? So let's type PHP myadmin. So this is PHP myadmin. I'm going to open PHP myadmin right away. Let me check if this one is still uploading. Awesome, that's still uploading. So awesome. So my PHP admin, my admin has opened. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to locate our database. So that's why when you're creating your database, you must take note of your database in case you have many databases in your server. So my database is portal VTUDB. I'm just going to open portal VTUDB, and I'm going to click on import. So we're going to import the SQL file. I'm going to give you access to the SQL file. So this is the, look at this, this is the SQL file, right? This is the first SQL file we use. So this one is the second SQL file. So I'm going to open that. I'm going to click on go. Awesome. So my SQL file has been uploaded, right? So my SQL file has been uploaded. So as you can see, this is my SQL file, right? So you can see this is my SQL file uploaded. So let's see if my okay, this one is still uploading. So let's just give it some minutes to finish uploading, right? Awesome. So the file has finished uploading, right? So as usual, so you know that the file has got 100%, and that's to show green. So I just reload my server, and I see that the file has fully uploaded. So I'm going to right click on this file, and I'm going to click on extract. Then I'm going to click on extract files. So that file is going to extract for me. So just wait for it twice to extract. So click on close, then you double click on the folder of the file, then click on select all, then you click on move, then you remove this and ensure you're moving it to the folder that you created. So in my own case, it's portal VTU. So you can use any name of your choice. So I'll just move this file, and these whole files are going to move from here, right? So this is the portal VTU folder I created. So let me just go back one more step. So I'm inside the portal VTU. So let me access the portal VTU home solution slash. I'm going to do portal VTU, right? So that's going to lead me to the portal VTU side. But before that, let's try to configure our database, right? So I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to see DB. See that db.php. So I'm going to right click, then click on edit. So I'm going to see the connection right here and here. So let us configure that right away. So this is my password. I'm going to copy this password and my password, and my password is my password. So I'm going to paste my password right here, and I'm also going to come here and paste the password right here. So I'm going to copy my username, and which is root. So root is my username. So remove root and paste here. Don't forget, when you're doing this, you will not tolerate any mistake. You don't tolerate any mistake, because any mistake will make your site not to run, and you're going to fall into some issues. So this is the database. So I'm going to put the database right here. Then I'm going to put the database right here. So I'm going to save that. Awesome, that is saved. So I'm just going to refresh this. Sorry, portal VTU. So it's going to be solution large portal. Let me get the right name from here. So it's going to be portal VTU, right? So portal VTU. So let's load that and see. Awesome. Wow. Can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that? That has taken us to the registration page. Can you see that? If I click on create an account. Awesome. Can you see that? This has also taken us to the create account page, right? So we have the registration page. Let me open that in another sub. Can you see that? So we have the registration page, and we also have the login page. So this is the registration page, and then this is the login page, right? So this registration and login page is what we are going to input right here. Can you see that? So it's what we are going to input right here. So let's log into our admin this wp-admin. So let's log into our admin end from our WordPress website that we did before. So we're going to log into the admin. Can I still remember my admin end password? Okay, let me just try to hack that my password. So I'm going to go to PHP my admin. What did I use in doing that? Should be it with UDB sites. Can't remember my admin, so let me just hack that password. So I go to WPC users. I'm supposed to see my admin right here. Okay, so this is the admin email. Let me just edit this. So this is the password. This is encrypted. So I'm just going to put this as MD5. MD5. So let me just copy this and put it right here. I want to use this as the password. Then MD5, this is how to hack WordPress database. So I'm going to go. Awesome. So I'm sure that is going to work for me. So let me just refresh this so that I can see if that hack is going to work for me. So admin, then I'm going to paste this right here and I'm going to click on login. Awesome. Can you see that? So I've been able to hack my WordPress backend database. So you see that this is the link to my login. So I'm going to copy this link. Then I'm going to go into appearance. Then I go to menus. Go to menus. So under menu, this is the link to the login. So I'm just going to paste this link right here. And you see that? I'm going to paste that link right here. And this is for the create account. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to do sign up. And I'm going to put that right here. So if I like, I can see change sign up to create account. Create account. And I can say sign in. So whatever you want to do is flexible for you. So I'm going to save that and so let me open this right here. So can you see that? Create an account and sign in. So if I click on sign in, it's going to take me to that link. Can you see that? And if I click on create an account, it's going to take me to this link. So we're going to solve this issue right here and also get into the admin end, right? So the first thing we need to do right here is to get into the admin end. So for you to get into the admin end, this is what you're going to do. So it's going to be your link. Don't forget, this is our link. This is our link. Solution tutor / portal VTU. Then you do / VTU control. Right? VTU control. CONTROL. VTU control. So let's do enter and see if that's going to work for us. Awesome. Can you hear that? This has taken us to the admin. So this is the admin. This is the user side, and this is the user create account, and this is the admin end for this, right? So so I'm going to log into the admin. So when I'm giving you the script, I'm going to give you the login to the admin, right? So when I'm giving you this script, when you get the script, I'm going to give you this login to the admin. I'm going to send the login to you. So awesome. Can you see that? So I have logged into my back end, right? So this is my back end, this is my create account, and this is my login. This is awesome. So when I'm giving you access to this script, I'm going to give you the login to the admin end of this, right? I'm going to give you the login to the admin end of this also. So the next thing we're going to do when we come here, you're going to see we have payment. You click on payment, you have payment notification, affiliate payment. You go to account, credit wallet, debit wallet. You go to services, you can add all your services, view services, SMS broadcast. You can see recharge pin, where you can load recharge pin, set your pin pricing, your subscription billing. And when you go to billing, you see your money transfer fee, reseller rate, normal rate, referral commission. And you can see MTN, Glo, all those are data services that you'll be selling. Then when you go to API, this work with API. API means application programming interface. So you're going to do your API setting here, money transfer API, because in this side, people can also transfer money from one user to another, right? So you're going to see SMS API, and this Monify API is for the money transfer. That is for the SMS API for people to be able to buy SMS from your site and be sent SMS, right? Every day I spend 8,000 naira buying SMS. So just imagine every day 8,000 naira buying SMS. You know how much those guys make from me. So if I go to transactions and I click on, I'll see view transactions. So let's go to settings, and first of all, let's go to security. So here you can change your admin username and password after you have access to these files and the script. When you configure, you cannot change those settings. So the next one we have here is the site settings. So let's go to site settings. So here you put your name and say right. So you put your phone number. So you put your email. So you put your email right there. Then you can see we capture a site key. Can you see that? We capture a site key, right? So you right click on this, you open this in a new tab, and Make sure you are logged into any of your mail. So when you open that, you're going to open. It's going to open with your Gmail. Just make sure your Gmail is signed into the browser, right? So and then you come here and say reCAPTCHA version 2. Make sure you're using reCAPTCHA version 2, right? So yeah, you're going to enter the domain name of your site. So so this is the domain name where your site is hosted. I'm just going to copy this domain name where my site is hosted. I'm going to put the domain name right here, right? Select reCAPTCHA 2. Then you come here, domains, then you add your domain right here again, right? Then you accept reCAPTCHA, then you click on submit. Awesome. So can you see that? So when you do that, you're going to be given a copy site key. So you click on this copy site key, and then you come to here is our copy site key. So this site key, so you put it here, and then you come right here again. Say copy site secret key. You copy site secret key. You put secret key here. Awesome. Can you see that? Then you put your logo here. So I'm going to choose my logo. I already have a logo that I want to use for this site. So I'm going to put my logo right here, and then you click on save changes here. Right. So that changes are made, and here you choose your logo again, and I say this is my logo. I click on change logo. So if this setting is done correctly, if you refresh your sign up page, you're going to see this I am not a robot. So it's going to remove that error right there, and you're going to see I am not a robot. Can you see that? So we have successfully configured this. So let's go back to the settings tab again, and let's go to payment settings. So under this payment setting, you can set up how you want people to pay you. You want to receive payment using Bitcoin and all of that. You can set this, right? You want to use Flutterwave, you can set this, and you want to use Paystack, you can set it. So for me, I want to use Paystack, so I'm just going to set Paystack. So this is my Paystack secret key. I'm going to log into my Paystack account right away. So I'm logging into my Paystack account right away. So I'm going to click on login. So I'm going to log into my Paystack. So you see, I use Paystack a lot to collect payment from all of these sites. So you can see in the last 30 days, this is how much I've made from Paystack. And this month alone, you see how much I've made from Paystack, over 800 and something thousand. And if I go to if I go to payout, and you see I'm expecting 79,000 and 3,000. So you see all the money Paystack pays me. They have paid me 81 USD. 91,000, 55,000, 115,000, 7,000, 43,000, 23,000, 27,000, 11,000, 1,000, 24,000, 48,000. So I keep receiving all this money. You look at the day: Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. Every fucking day of my life, I get paid. All right. So when I come to Paystack, I'll go to settings. Then I'll go to API key and wood, right? So I'm going to go to API key and wood. So just click on this and enter your password and then continue. So it's going to open your live secret key. So I'm going to copy this live secret key. Don't forget live secret key. I'm going to copy that. So Paystack, so secret key. I'm going to put my secret key right here. And I'm going to go to live public key. Live public key. So if you don't want people to pay you through Paystack online payment, so you may not be need to do all of this. But if you want people to pay you with online payment, you can do all of that. So I'm going to click on that save setting. So people can come to my site, buy SMS, buy data, use their credit card to pay, go to and pay online even without me being there. And when they pay online, Paystack will collect the payment for me, and my site will automatically credit them SMS. My site will automatically credit them data, stuff like that without any stress. So you can see the logo that I put as also shown here, right? So if I also refresh here, and I also see that the logo has also been put here. And if I also refresh here, create account, you see that the logo has also been put right here. So it's a win-win for me, right? So let me go back to my all right, so let me go back to my admin end. So let's go back to settings. I think we have done, okay, payment settings. So we're done with payment settings. So let's do bank settings. So I'm going to do, let's go down and say add bank details. So where do you want people to send money to? If probably they want to make payment online, or you don't want to use online, you want to use bank payment, so that everybody who wants to do business with you, they have to pay to your account. And when you get the funds, you credit them SMS and whatever you want to credit them. So for me, I want to use bank payment right here, and I'll say, so you put your company name or your name. So I'm going to click on save settings. So I've added my bank details. Awesome, right? So so let's just explore all of this. So if I go to payment from here, payment notification. So anybody who paid, I'm going to get the notification from here, right? So this is for affiliate payment, people who made money, who use my affiliate link to bring other people to sign up and use the system. They're also going to get paid. So this is for credit wallet. So anybody who purchased maybe offline or paid it to my account, I can come here and I'll put his customer email, how much I want to credit him, and he's going to get that. The same thing, I can debit the person. So let's go to services, right? So if I click on view services, you're going to see Eco Electric payments, my Go TV, Ibadan electricity, VTU airtime recharge. See that for all the network, and DSTV payments, start time payment, WAEC, resort checkup pin. See that for Dakot, Ikeja payment, Jobs payment, Enugu payment. You see this one for Sendbox SMS to any GSM, SpectraNet 4G. For those of you in Lagos, recharge card pin generator. Can you see that for recharge card, NECO resort checker, data bundle, SME data, universal airtime, wallet to bank transfer. So wallet to wallet transfer. So a user can transfer money from this account to another user. This is so awesome. MTN, Bet Ninja payment, MTN share. You can see that. So if you want to edit anyone, you can click on this and you just edit the details that you see all right there. So, and if you want to add new service, you just go to add new service and you also add the service right from here. If there's any service you also want to add, you can add it right here. So let's go to services again. Then we have a SMS broadcast, right? So you can send SMS to all your recipients from your website. You can just put all their phone number right here and send SMS to them, and then all of them are going to receive the SMS. So let's go to recharge pin, and it's a load recharge pins. So you select the network, say MTN, and how much MTN, 100 naira MTN. So how many of them, paste the pins to load. So if you have 1 million pins, you just paste the pins right here as will be given to you, and then you load them right there, right? So let's go to pin pricing. So how much do you want to sell pin? MTN pin for 100 naira. So if somebody comes and buy from you 100 naira, you're going to sell for them for 98 naira. So because the reason why they want to buy from you online is because probably you're selling cheaper and Glow. So you set the price here. If you want it 100 naira, you want it 110, just set it right here, and that's the amount they will pay you to buy. So if you go to subscription billing, you are using 1 month subscription, you are 2 months subscription, 3 months. So you also put it there, right? So let's go to billing. So money transfer fee. So if people do use your website to transfer money from one account to another, how many percent do you want from them? So if I say 4%, I can click on save settings. Say I want to collect 4% for any transfer that is done from my wife's website. So if I go to reseller rate, you see that for bulk SMS unit, you see that bulk SMS unit is 2.6 naira. That is to say, 1 SMS you are charging 2.6 naira. So whatever amount you want to charge, you put it here. SME data 1.0, airtime 1.5, MTN 1.2, right? Glow 2 naira, and this and this. So you can just set all of this information right here for how much you are charging. So let's go to billing again, and then let's go to referral commission. So sorry about that. So let's go to billing, and let's go to, so when we go to billing again, and you see MTN semi price. So how much MTN semi data, how much are you selling data? 1 gig, how much you are selling 1 gig? If it's 200 naira, you're going to put 200 naira here. So how much are you selling 2 gig? You're going to put the price. How much you're selling all of the gigs? So you put all of the prices there, and save that there. So the same thing you do for MTN, you do for Glow, you do for Airtel, and all of that. Then you have to just configure how much you are charging for 16 gig, how much you are charging. So when people come, they see these prices and this amount of data you are selling, and when they purchase, they will automatically be loaded. So you just go ahead and check all of these and all that. So I think, and so let's come to our transactions. So from here, we can view all transactions of the website. And lastly, let's come to API, and this is our API settings. So this API is the services, the people who provide you the API, the gateway for you to set up your SMS portal, right? And from here, you can create API. So if you click on create API from here, now it's going to take you to their website. You're going to create your API services, and they tell you how much you're going to load into your account. So when you load into your account, you pick the services that you want to supply, just like the services on your website, and then just do the integration and credit your account. So whatever you credit in your account will appear here in this your account. And when people begin, let's say somebody buys data, the money will be subtracted from your account. So the API usually is the people who control, your portal, who gives you the access to use these services, right? So if you click on this create API, you're going to see that. Let me just click on that and show you. You're going to see the API settings. Can you see that? So you're going to create an account with them and just follow up with that. And they'll just give you a code. Can you see that? Just one gateway API. And that code is what you're going to put right there. And you're just going to save settings. And that is all. Right? So that is all you need to do. Is that okay? So the API service will take care of all of this. You don't need to do any of these things here. Just create your account, the API service, and you connect this to them. They're just going to give you an API URL that you're going to put for here, and then boom, your site is working, right? So I think that is all that we need to do. This is the SMS API. These guys are also going to give you SMS API for you to purchase SMS from their portal. So from their portal, the SMS get into your portal and get into your customer's portal or website, right? So you're just going to supply your username and your password, and this URL is all that you need for that API. So that is all for that, and this is the Monify API also. So this Monify helps people to transfer money from one account to another, right? It helps people to transfer money from one account to another. So you can also go ahead, you see that, create an account with Monify. You just go ahead and create an account with Monify. I'm going to give you another API key, secret key, and contract code, just the way Paystar gave me this information. And this is the Monify website where you can get all of that. So using these two APIs to connect to your website, just create your account, and then boom. So you are good to go. Monify will not charge you any money to connect your API, because whatever transaction is made, Monify helps you do the transaction and helps you collect your commission, while they also collect their own commission. So that is that for that. So let's just save our settings, and we are good to go, right? We are good to go. We are good to go. So let me just copy this link, and let me open that in another browser. So it's time for us to test what we have been doing also, right? It's time for us to test what we have been doing. So so let's create an account. So I'm just going to create an account right here, and I'm going to say that's how people are going to come to your site and create accounts. So you click I'm not a robot, and then you'll click on create an account. Awesome. Can you see that a verification code has been sent to your email? So you have to check your email for the verification code. So let's check our email for the verification code. So we have to check our email for the verification code. So, let me check that email. So this is the email I used in signing up. Can you see that? Own VTU portal account verification. Can you see that? So you're just going to click on this, and you see the verification code, and you see your logo that you have put here. This is so awesome, man. So so let's come right here and put this verification code right here. So I'm going to paste that code and I'll click on verify. Can you see that account created successfully? Can you see that? So we can now log in. So can you see that? So I'm going to click on login. Awesome. Can you see that? Look at the portal aspect of the user. Can you see that? It's so awesome. So you can even click to become a reseller, and then you can charge them. So you can set it that for somebody to become a reseller under you, the person is first of all going to pay a subscription fee of 25,000 or 50,000 naira. You can charge them to become a reseller. You can charge them, and when they click on become a reseller, they're going to register as a reseller, pay you that money, and you now activate them to buy SMS and services from you cheaper, right? So you'll not be making too much from them, but you charge them. So you can see that bulk SMS, SME data, NECO checker. You see that? You can click on generate PIN for NECO. Can you see that? So you click on this and select example PIN, NECO PIN. Then you enter phone number and you click on proceed. So it's going to generate NECO PIN for you, right? So let's go back to you can see credit wallet. So let's say I want to credit my wallet. Can you see that? So it's going to ask you to link your BVN. So you have to enter your BVN, right? You have to enter your BVN. So let me click on credit wallet again, and let's say this time around I want to do ATM card, right? So if I put 600 naira and I click on proceed, so when I can you see that, it's taking me to pay stack. Watch that. Also, can you see that? It's taking me to pay stack. Can you see this is my pay stack, the one we set the other time. This is so awesome, right? So let's go back. Let's say okay, this time because I don't want to pay with pay stack, I want to pay with cash deposit. So if I click on cash deposit and I click on proceed, you're going to watch what is going to happen. Can you see that? It's going to pop out your account number, your account name, and your bank, and tell them to pay into your account and send payment to this, right? So when they send payment to this, and you see that these guys have actually paid that money to your account, you cannot credit the account. So let's say these guys actually did this and they credited our account. So let's go to our admin end again. Let me show you how you can credit their own account. So let's just click on dashboard, and can you see that? Look at the registration. This guy just registered, so you can see that. So you can activate his account, right? His account has been activated. So so if we go to, let's go to transactions, let's go to account and credit wallet. Let's go to billing. Okay, let's go to billing, and okay, let's go to payment and say payment notifications. No. Let's go to billing and okay, let's go to transactions. Then click on view transactions. Also, can you see that? Look at the 600 naira we are trying to credit, right? Look at the 600 naira again. We're trying. We use ATM to try to do this, and we use this other bank payment to actually do it. So let's say this is the bank payment, and we actually paid through the bank, and admin have seen. So admin just click on credit. See that completed, and that account is going to be credited. So you also see a welcome email from these guys. Can you see that? Welcome, your username and your password, and you see that this is also awesome. So let's go to the account, users account, and let's just click on dashboard. See here is 0. Just watch. Can you see that 600 naira has been credited to this guy's account? Awesome. So this guy cannot do bulk SMS from his money. Can you see that? Put sender ID. So let's say sender ID is Webit. If you have used bulk SMS before, and recipient number, we're just going to put all of the numbers separated by comma, right? Then you're going to put the message and you click on send, and all of them are going to get message. So people can come into your website and purchase data from you, purchase SMS from you, credit your account, and when they send this SMS, just imagine I purchased 8,000 SMS, and how much gain is going to come out from that daily basis. And all of these churches, you already make money with SMS, go to churches, go to organizations, right? Like association of this, that. They buy SMS service a lot, and you're going to make a lot of money from them. So you see that the bulk SMS service, send message and the message history. Then you see the TV payment. If you go TV, you see that Go TV. Let's say okay, so you want to recharge Go TV from your side, you just click on Go TV and what Go TV service do you want. Usually do this. I usually do this for my GoTV. So you enter your ICU number, enter your phone number, and you click on proceed, and your GoTV, the money is going to be deducted from your account, and your GoTV is going to start running. Can you see that? So you go to payment notification, credit wallet payment notification. Can you see that? So and if you are a reseller, also when you come here, you can create API for yourself, and then this admin, you are going to give them access, and they become a reseller. So if you go to VTU, you can buy airtime. So let me click on buy airtime. What network do you want to purchase? I want to purchase Glow. So you click on Glow, and how much Glow you want to purchase? Let's say 100 Naira Glow. And you put your phone number right here, and you click on proceed, and you see that. So how do you want to pay? You want to pay with your wallet, or you want to pay with your Visa card? So you can actually pay with your wallet. If you pay with your wallet, this amount is going to be deducted from your account, and you can also pay with your Visa card, and it's going to accept your Visa card and take you to you see that this client admin payment solution, and you can also pay with your wallet. See that transaction failed because we are not connected to the API. This is so awesome. Can you see that? So I see data bundle too. Let's say I want to recharge MTN data. So I want MTN data. How many bundle I want? Can you see that? All of this. Can you see that? According to the way you set it, so 15 gig for 5,000. And I'm going to enter my phone number, and I'm going to say proceed. Can you see that? So and I want to pay with my wallet. So I pay with my wallet. You see that insufficient balance. The money in my account is not enough. The 100 Naira here was first of all used for the other service the other time. So now I say click here to credit your wallet. Can you see that? So I'm going to click here and credit my wallet. Can you see that? I'm going to click there and credit my wallet. This is so awesome. Can you see that? So your own is just to develop this site, connect to the API, right? The API is very simple. They'll just give you the API secret key. Once you register on their website, just give you the secret key and you just connect to the API, and that is all. Just follow my video, do the configuration that I've showed you, and you have no other problem whatsoever again. So as you can see, this is a very robust system, right? This is a very robust system, and this is all that you need to actually get this kind of site done and charge whatever you want to charge your client. You can see all of the services listed here. You can purchase SMS data, and you can buy NECO. You can generate PIN for NECO, so WAEC result checker. So you see that, and registration PIN or type service not available right here. You see that. So you can generate checker PIN, select exam, WAEC. How many quantity of PIN you want to generate? You want to generate 100, then the phone number, you just put it right here, and those pins will be generated, and you're going to package those pins and sell those pins for people who want to check their result. This is so beautiful. I have been able to show you how to develop a VTU portal website right here in Nigeria without stress, without writing any programming language, without any problem, without any stress from your end. So guys, thank you so much for listening to this video. I'm going to give you access to this script right now. I'm going to give you access. So I'm going to, awesome guys. So if you want to get access to this video, to this software, to this VTU portal software, so you're going to pay the sum of 30,000 Naira to the account number you're seeing right there. And when you make that payment to this account number, all you have to do is send a message to this number you are seeing on your screen, right? Send a message to this number you are seeing on your screen, and you know, your payment is going to be acknowledged. Send a message to that number on WhatsApp, and your payment is going to be acknowledged, and we are going to add you to a WhatsApp group. The sum of 30,000 Naira will give you every of the software and the database that you need to get this done, and we're also going to add you to a group where we'll keep helping you out until you launch your VTU portal. My name is Ajayi Adebayo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop good videos like this, you will get notified. Do not miss this opportunity, because by next week, you may not be able to get this opportunity. You may not be able to get this offer anytime soon. And you can just use just 30,000 Naira to position yourself as a VTU portal creator and start to create VTU portal website for school, for churches, for organizations, and for people who need this kind of website. Just imagine if you charge them just 100,000 Naira, you're still going to make a lot of money, right? And you can also decide to charge 200,000. You're going to create this system for them and help them connect to the system, and you are going to make a lot of money. So thank you guys, and God bless you. And make sure you take this opportunity, right? If you need any software coding, just let us know. We code any kind of software, and we are just the best, reliable, trusted, and we deliver. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Go ahead and make payment into this account and send the information to us, and we will take it up from there. God bless you.